The favourite treatments I enjoy doing at the clinic are doing cheeks, as well as the chin. It's really nice to have patients when they come in and they're wanting that gentle rejuvenation pick-me-up treatment. The times we'll see young mums or women that are in their 30s starting to get a little bit older, and they have started to lose a little bit of the bone mass, a little bit of the fat, as well as the muscle, drooping down a little bit and need that extra volume. Sometimes it's only a weight loss. Patients have gone through and they've suddenly developed the extra sunken look, which they're not happy with. And it does make them look a bit older and makes them look tired. So the younger patients wishing to enhance their natural cheekbones to get that more defined model-like look is something that we can definitely do in the clinic, and I enjoy doing myself. We get really nice results either with use of cannula, which can really do lovely definition, or even straight needle injections. Usually the one question people ask is how much filler will I need for my cheeks, and that will depend on the age group as well as what we are trying to achieve. For the patients that are only after a mild pick-me-up and they want that little bit of a lift, we would use just a 0.5 ml of filler on each side of the cheeks. For those wishing to have more of a definition, we would use 1 ml per cheek.